Hello everyone, myself Deepak Arun and today we present a presentation on the topic is Parkinson's disease. This is a movement disorder in which the neuron get affected that disrupt the signaling pathway of the neurotransmitter. So this is a too much interesting topic. So without wasting any time, let's start it. What we study in this topic, we have an index. So firstly we talk about the history of Parkinson disease, intro, epidemiology, classification, different types of symptom according to their targeted sites and duration of symptoms, essential tremor versus Parkinson disease is a comparison, and cause behind this, mechanism and basal ganglia disruption, treatment of Parkinson disease, neuroanatomy, neuromodulation based on scientific portfolio, and last of all, the side effect of using drugs to the treatment of Parkinson disease. So let's start by history of Parkinson disease. Parkinson disease can also be called as Kampavta in Ayurveda, and this that can be cured by in a traditional way. This whole process can be written in a book that is called as Shaking Palsy, that is written by Galen in AD 175. And after this, many scientists come to increase the knowledge about that disease and their related symptoms. Like, so in 1871, James Parkinson was the first scientist who described the paralysis and then renamed as a Parkinson disease by Jean Martin. Then in 1990s, the next scientist will come and state that substantia nigra is a basal ganglia structure located in the midbrain that play an important role in the reward and movements. This statement given by Treat Jacob. After this, in 1968, the next scientist, George Kadzia, is a Greek scientist, developed a technique for the treatment of Parkinson disease is L-DOPA treatment. After this, the next generation in 1997, David et al. It gave a statement about MPTP induced Parkinsonism, because these are the main molecule that give a permanent effect of Parkinson disease. MPTP is a IUPAC name is 1 methyl 4 phenyl 1236 tetra hydropyridine, is an prodrug of a neurotoxin. It produces a molecule MPP positive, which cause a permanent symptom of Parkinson disease. MPP is a positively charged organic molecule that interfering with oxidative phosphorylation in mitochondria by inhibiting the complex 1 and lead to the depletion of the ATP, and eventually the cell death take place. After this, in 1997, Polymorphopoulos is a scientist that discovered a PARC1 gene mutation is a variant gene of Parkinson disease. At the present time, 13 genes were discovered that are responsible to the cause of Parkinson disease or involved in their pathway to cause Parkinson. So let's move on this slide. Here we talk about the introduction. So in this is a slow progressive and long term disorder of central nervous system in which the motor cells get affected, movement, often including tremors. This is a complex disease that has many different symptoms, so that not everyone with the condition suffer from same problem. The cell normally produce dopamine that transmits signal between area in the brain that, when working normally, coordinates smooth and balanced smooth movement. In which the nerve cell is damaged, then body movement is affected due to the disturbance in the passing of neurotransmitter from one neuron to another neuron. So now we have a list of famous celebrities that suffer from Parkinson disease. After this, they will die. First is the Vishnu Govind Jog. This is an Indian violinist that play violin. This is the most popular musician. in India. And next is Muhammad Ali, is an American boxer, very good boxer. And next is George H.W. Bush. This is a good politician and a good businessman. And next is Chid- Chidanand Dasgupta. This is an Indian filmmaker, producer, and director in 1990s. After this is Neil Diamond. This is a singer in America. This is a good singer. And after this, the Michael J. Fox. This is also a good actor in America. And pupil John Paul II. This is the head of the Catholic Church. And Brand Grant. This is a very good basketball football player in America. So here we have a list of famous celebrity. They will die after suffer from Parkinson disease. So, we talk about the epidemiology of Parkinson disease. So, in the United States, we have an estimated prevalence approx 5 lakh to 1 million patient in his state, and incidence of approx 40,000 to 60,000 each cases per year in the USA, and the affected up to 0.3% of general population, but 1 to 3% of those who are greater than 65-year age. Parkinson disease is largely disease of older adults. Only 5 to 10% of patients have symptoms before 40-year-old. Young onset of Parkinson disease. And this disease can also be occur in 45 to 65 year of age, and the distribution is equal in man and woman, and most of the cases are sporadic, but some cases are familiar due to inheritable from the parent to their offspring can be seen in some cases. So we have an spherical graph that show all the Asian country data that have a patient of Parkinson disease patient. So China have 36.36% and India have 30%, Pakistan 4%, Sri Lanka 1%, East Timor 0%, Uzbekistan 1%. These are the all percentage of patient that we arise cases of Parkinson disease. But when we talk about all over the country on earth, so America is the largest country that have largest number of patients of Parkinson disease. Approx 68% of all patients on the earth that have Parkinson disease. So this is a huge percentage in which we can say that America have large amount of disease in their country, and this have a different colors shows the different country of Asia. After this, we talk about the classification of Parkinson disease. According to their classification, it can be classified in four categories: idiopathic Parkinson disease, familial Parkinson disease, secondary Parkinsonism, and atypical Parkinsonism. This whole process can be explained by their name. Okay, so first we talk about idiopathic Parkinson disease. So idiopathic means the cause is unknown, in which it means is that idiopathic are those Parkinson disease which cause is unknown, and all over the patient is approx 75% of the patient cases are unknown that suffered from Parkinson disease. Okay, so most of the people with Parkinson disease have an idiopathic Parkinson disease, and most common symptom of their disease is like a tremor, rigidity, and slowness of movement, and that can be diagnosed by MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, that is useful for this. And after this we talk second, familial Parkinson disease. This Parkinson disease have a family history of this disorder. Familial cases of Parkinson disease can be caused by mutation in the genes like LRRK2, leucine rich repeat kinase 2, PARK7, PINK1, PRRKN or SNCA gene, and the alternation in gene that have been identified is the cause of Parkinson disease. Okay, these are the genetically heritable from, and sometimes it should be rare, but named after respective mutation on the locus. And the third classification of the Parkinson is secondary Parkinsonism. Okay, so secondary Parkinsonism is when symptoms similar like to Parkinson disease and caused by certain medicines that cause toxicity and that affect the neuron cells signaling pathway. A different nervous system disorder should be caused, and we take an example like over exposure of pesticides, that is also the cause of Parkinson disease, and it's classified in two category also. First is drug induced and post traumatic. Drug induced are the class of medication primarily used to manage psychosis including delusions, hallucination, paranoia disorders. Thoughts principally is synchronized and popular disorder by treat by this disease neuroleptics, but their accumulation in the body causes toxicity that induce the Parkinson disease. Okay, and then after this the post traumatic, that is a it means is external forces applied to the any organism that affect the central nervous system, so that disturb the signaling pathway. So its example is boxer encephalopathy. After this we talk about the atypical Parkinsonism disease, in which they have a different neurogenerative disease. In this, the disorder are progressive disease that present with some of the sign and symptom of Parkinson disease, but that generally doesn't respond well to drug treatment with levodopa. They are associated with an abnormal protein build within a brain cells. Example like alpha synuclein. This is already present in our brain that helping signaling pathway of neurotransmitter from one to another. So when alpha synuclein is normally wavy like structure, and in Parkinsonism the alpha synuclein protein misfolding can be occur. This misfolding forming a toxic clump or aggregation take place. During the process the early aggregation are very reactive and it is believed cause damage to the cellular component. Then the signaling pathway will disturb and cause Parkinsonism. So it can be, this category can be also classified in two category. First is MSA and MSP. MSA and PSP. So MSA is a multiple system atrophy. In this, the neurological disorder affecting your body involuntary functions including blood pressure, breathing, bladder functions and muscles control. Okay, and the next is PSP is a progressive supranuclear palsy. This cause of PSP is not known, uh, but it is a form of teopathy in which abnormal phosphorylation of the protein tau lead to destruction of viral protein filament in nerve cells, causing their death of the cells. But their actual cause is unknown. So now let's talk about the symptoms of the Parkinson disease. We have different types of symptoms. Like first is movement symptoms, other features of symptom and clinical feature condition. We study one by one. So first is a movement symptom in which the resting tremor is a like shakiness or vibration. Its frequency is 4 to 6 hertz. It's involuntary shakiness. And the next symptom is bradykinesia. It is a slowness of movement of the patient. And hypokinesia, it is lessen the movement of skeletal muscles. And akinesia is the directly stopped working of muscles, like absence directly, not less neurotransmitters is directly blocked, so no movement will take place. Or rigidity is the like increased muscle tone, resistance to passive movements. Postural instability is like loss of balance. And other features of symptom is first is cranial facial, in which the cranial nerve is affected that control many expression like hypomimia is a like reduced face expression, Dysphagia is like difficulty in the swallowing, and hypophonia is like soft speech due to lack of coordinations. So these are caused due to cranial nerve get affected by this Parkinson disease. So visual optic nerve is also affected by this, that cause a blurred vision or eye opening aparaxia, like eyelids difficulty in opening and closing, and gait. So in this Parkinson gait, in which the person are feeling like being stuck in their place, where initiation is steps take place, but it can't do it, and it can be increase the risk of falling. Like shuffling and fascination, like repetitive voluntary movement should also be take place, and freezing. And the last symptom is clinical feature condition, in which like depression of the host organism can be seen, and dementia is like is not a specific disease. Dementia is a group of condition characterized by impairment or like groups of the diseases like that can be altered, like memory loss, judgment, or any other diseases should be under this. And next is a sleep disturbance, and after this the difficulty in smelling due to olfactory nerve is damaged or affected. This is due to the dysfunction in other part of the brain or prefrontal cortex, or and dysfunction in other neurotransmitter. It this is doesn't mean ki neurons is affected from the neuron. It is also affected in the spinal cord or brain. So firstly affected the limbs or sensory organ are affected by this disease in this case. So here is we have a figure, so you can see the whole symptoms of disease, like stopped posture, masked faces, back rigidity, and flexible elbow and wrists can't move, and tremor in the leg, shuffling short step at gait, slightly flexible hip and knees, hand tremor continuously or discontinuously, reduced arm swing, and forward tilt of trunk. You can see this is in this beautiful diagram. After this we talk about the essential tremor. Essential tremor is like like the shakiness in the limbs that affect our daily work. So here in this lower figure you can see the coil is made by a pen, a individual without a tremor. Okay, so here this is like clear image, but in this case when suffer from tremor, essential tremor, then individual with like shakiness continuously, so it can't make a proper coil due to continuously swinging her hand, and that also affect their daily work like drinking, walking, and like getting dressed, etc., that affect their movement. So essential tremor can be caused by alcohol abuse and overreactive of the thyroid gland, and stroke and a variety of neurological condition. However, these tremor are not characterized as an essential tremor. The exact cause of essential tremor is unknown. So one of the most common movement disorder, like prevalence of 3 to percent per thousand of peoples. So we have a ratio, uh, statistical data, so 2 to 4% among over 40 year of age, and 3 to 6 among over 60% of 60 year of age, and 20% among over 95 year of age. And the annual incidence 23.7 per 1 lakh people, and slightly higher prevalence among man, 1.08 to 1 ratio. Okay, and it should be a genetic component like familial to transfer from one to another. Now we talk about the like comparison between essential tremor versus Parkinson disease tremor. Okay, so what is the difference between the common type, including the resting tremor, is postural tremor, kinetic tremor, and task specific tremor, and intentional tremor. Okay, so resting tremor occurred when a body part is completely rest and it is against the gravity. tremor tremors amplitude like decrease with voluntary activity can be seen. This is the main difference. So in the essential tremor, like intentional tremor can be take place, like a very high frequency, like you can see 4 to 12 hertz. In case of resting tremor have like slow frequency 4 to 6 hertz. So in this figure you can see A have a essential tremor, like a large amount of tremors you can see in this handwriting. But in case of B, black figure, you can see the image, the resting tremor slower frequency 4 to 6, so then easily you can read, but in you can't in A figure handwriting. And in essential tremor variable amplitude can be seen in essential, and in case of Parkinson disease the amplitude should be moderate, and the symptoms are primarily, but in case of Parkinson disease it is constellation of symptoms can be seen, and often familial, can be transferred from one to another, but Parkinson disease is infrequently familial. And in case of essential tremor, the alcohol improves the tremors, but in case of Parkinson disease, alcohol has no effect on their tremors. And the essential tremor symptom onset any time, but in case of Parkinson, it is late onset. Okay.